ఓకే హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సో వెల్కమ్ టు ఎస్ఆర్ అకాడమీ. సో చాలామంది వీడియోని ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయలే, ఇంకా వీడియోస్ని చూస్తలేరు, వ్యూస్ నాకు ఏం వస్తలేదు. సో మీరు ఈ ఛానల్ మోటివ్ ఏంటంటే మీకు 10th క్లాస్ ఎగ్జామ్కి ప్రిపరేషన్ చేయాలని మన ఉద్దేశం. సో మీరు ఏమైనా మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కమెంట్ సెక్షన్లో రాయండి. ఇంకా ఏమైనా వీడియోస్ నచ్చితే లైక్ కొట్టండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇంకోటి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, సో లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో మనం రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ రే డయాగ్రామ్ చూసినాం. సో టుడే ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ టాపిక్, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈ సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ రూల్స్. మీకు సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ రూల్స్ ఇంకోటి మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్ అర్థమైందనుకో, దెన్ యూ కెన్ గో త్రూ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. యాజ్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో ఐ విల్ బీ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. సో మనం ఫస్ట్ సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ రూల్స్ ఏంటి చూసుకుందాం. సో సైన్ కన్వెన్షన్ రూల్స్ ఏంటంటే ఆల్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆర్ మెజర్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పోల్. సో see, I can explain this thing with the help of a concave mirror. So this is my concave mirror. In the concave mirror, this is the pole, the focus, this is center of curvature, and you just remember the distance and size. The distance between pole and focus, అంటే pole నుంచి focus మధ్యలో ఉన్న distance ఏమంటారు? Focal length, which is indicated with small f. The distance between pole and center of curvature is known as radius of curvature, which is indicated with capital R. And what is object distance and image distance? Suppose we have an object beyond the C, అంటే బియాండ్ సి అంటే సి పక్కన ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉందనుకో, ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ పోల్ టు ఆబ్జెక్ట్, పోల్ నుంచి ఆబ్జెక్ట్కి అయితే డిస్టెన్స్ ఉంది కదా, సపోజ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అండ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ పోల్ టు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఈజ్ నోన్ యాజ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్, విచ్ ఈస్ ఇండికేటెడ్ విత్ స్మాల్ u. Image distance, suppose you know that whenever an image object is placed beyond the C, the image will form in between focus and center of curvature. So distance between pole and image, so this is your image, this is known as image distance, which is indicated with small v. Okay, next height of the object, height of the image రెండు ఉన్నాయి. సో ఈ హైట్కి ఏదైతే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది, సైజ్ ఆర్ హైట్, దాన్ని h0 అని ఇండికేట్ చేస్తారు, అండ్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమేజ్ is indicated with hi. Okay, so these are the parameters which are used to represent the object distance u, image distance v, focal length f, radius of curvature capital R, height of the object h0, height of the image hi. So first rule is all the distance measured from the pole. So whatever you distance you measure, as a measure, it may be object distance or image distance or focal length or radius of curvature. This 4 comes under distance, and these 2 are the example for size or you can say height. ఇవి 4 వచ్చేసి డిస్టెన్స్. ఇవన్నీ డిస్టెన్స్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి మెజర్ చేయాలి? పోల్. Now second one is the distance measured in the direction of incident ray is taken as positive. Suppose if I take this case, this is the case of concave mirror. So you have to measure the distance from the pole. So if you take the distance is measured in the direction of incident ray, takes to be positive. See, in this case, if you have to measure the object distance, we are moving from, all the distance will be measured from the pole. Anni pole nunchi measure cheyali kabatti we have to move in pole to object. So we are moving in opposite to incident ray. So the distance measured opposite to incident ray is taken negative. So in this case, in this one, the object distance will be measured in negative, because we are moving from pole to object which is opposite to incident ray. Okay, so distance measured opposite to incident ray is taken negative, so u value is negative. What about v? So image is here, so again we have to move from pole to image, so this is opposite to the incident ray, v value will also negative. What about focal and radius of curvature? See, we have to measure the distance from pole to center of curvature. If your distance ఇక్కడ నుంచి కాబట్టి పోల్ నుంచి సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్కి పోతే అపోజిట్ టు ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే, సో ఆర్ వాల్యూ నెగిటివ్ అండ్ ఎఫ్ వాల్యూ విల్ ఆల్సో నెగిటివ్. సో ఇన్ కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఆల్ ద వాల్యూస్ ఆఫ్ ద డిస్టెన్స్, ఇమేజ్ డిస్టెన్స్, ఫోకస్ డిస్టెన్స్, రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ విల్ బి negative, because we are moving opposite to the incident ray. Incident ray is moving from right to left, but we have to measure the distance from pole to object or image or focal. Okay, see third point, fourth one, you have height of the object measure upward is positive and downward is negative. So here you can see this object is like, if any object lies above the principal axis, పైన in principal axis పైన ఉందనుకో పాజిటివ్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో in this case height of the object is positive, where image is formed below, so it is downward, so height of the image will be negative. Okay, in the similar way we can write the Okay, so these are the 5 important rules. Okay, first one is all the distance should be measured from the pole. Any distance pole నుంచి measure చేయాలి. Distance measured in the direction of incident ray take positive. Suppose if you are measuring the distance in the direction of incident, రెండు సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి. You are measuring from right to left and incident is also from same, so that is taken positive. If it is opposite, negative. Suppose if any height of the object or image lies measured upward, principal axis పైన ఉందనుకో పాజిటివ్, కింద ఉందనుకో నెగిటివ్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద 5 rules and these are the parameters which are used to measure the distance. So now I will be writing a table related to concave and convex mirror. We will be writing the this. After applying the sign convention rules, we will get some signs to concave and convex mirror. Okay, so these are very very important while applying in the questions. So you will be solving some questions, you can say problems related to object, image and focal. So there will you need this. So I am just writing the properties. So properties can be a object distance, okay, which is nothing but u. Next you can say image distance, which is v, and focal length f. Next we have a radius of curvature. R. So in the first chapter we have 2 types of mirror, concave and convex mirror. So just now I told you, so if you will take the help of concave and convex. This is concave and I will draw this one as a concave, and this is nothing but convex mirror. So we will apply the sign convention. Just now I have applied the sign convention rule because object and image both will write present or both are there in front of the mirror. So here the object and image, so both will be negative in this case. Just now I told you all the distance will be measured from the pole. In the incident ray, this is opposite. We are measuring the distance in opposite to the incident ray. So that's why object, image, focal and radius of value will be negative. Okay, just now I explained. So now I apply the same thing for the convex. See in convex, so object always lies at the outside, you can say outside. So object ikkada untadi. This is the direction of incident ray. An image will be formed here. So if you see here, all the distance will be measured from the pole. So if you measure the distance of, so this is my pole, this is object. So now we have to measure the distance from pole to object. So this is opposite to incident ray. So u value will be negative. So what about v? See, object image is present at the right side. So we have to measure the distance from pole to image. So we are measuring in this direction, right, left to right. Incident is also traveling the same direction. So this way this is positive. Focus and center of curvature also. If you measure the distance of focal and center of radius of curvature, so the distance, when you are measuring from the pole, it seems to be in the same direction of incident ray. అంటే మనం అదే డైరెక్షన్ లో మెజర్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ వై దిస్ 2 value will be positive. Okay, so this is how we got the values of sign convention values of concave and convex mirror u, v, f, r. You can also remember one thing. See, in concave mirror all value will be negative. So in concave mirror all value will be negative, except, see, in the concave mirror we have in 6 cases. So in 6 cases, the last case, when the object is present in between focus and pole. So here when the object is present, the image is formed behind. So whenever the image is formed behind, so we will be going to get virtual image. So virtual image, so we will be going to get virtual image. So the virtual image will be, this is lies behind the mirror. So we will be measuring the distance in the direction of incident ray. So only when the image is virtual in the concave mirror, okay, we will be taking plus when the image is virtual, or in the 6th case we will be taking this value as an +1. Okay, so next In convex, all the image will be formed on the right side, so there will be no change for all the convex mirror. The sign convention rules will be this these signs will be same. Okay, just you need to remember that in concave mirror, when the image is real, we will be using all negative, and when the image is virtual, we will be using positive value for image distance. Okay, so this is a thing, so don't worry. You just remember concave all negative, convex you can say object distance is always negative, and in convex these three are positive, and in concave all negative. Okay, so next topic is magnification. So after completion of this magnification, so I will explain the next topic. Okay, we will do the problems. So magnification is nothing but you can say the definition of magnification is the size of the object. This is indicated by m. This is nothing but size of the image by size of the object, so hi by h naught, and also this is written in the form of minus v by u. Then v by u would answer. And if you talk about the magnification number line, suppose if I take a number line, so magnification value will be 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So magnification is nothing but height of the image by height of the object, or you can say minus v by minus v by u. So you may have seen that, say in concave mirror, so we will be going to get a real image. So real image, so whenever you have a real image, this real image will lies below the principal axis. So whenever the real image will lies below the principal axis, so we will getting the minus value. So height of the image by height of the object, so definitely we will be going to get a value which is minus. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, these all values is for concave. So in concave mirror we will be going to get magnification as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, you can say 0. So from 0 to all minus, all the negative values, this minus symbol is indicated when you have whenever you have a magnification as a negative, it means we get a real image. ఎందుకంటే magnification కింద ఉన్నప్పుడు image will be lies below the principal axis. Whenever the image lies below the principal axis, we have to use minus symbol. So whenever the image is magnification is minus, it means that we have a concave mirror. But as I told you, in the sixth case of the concave mirror, we will be going to get a virtual image which lies above the principal axis. So these values will be for a concave mirror for sixth case 6. And this 0 to 1, you know that always in the convex mirror, the image will be smaller than the object. See, in the convex mirror, the image which is formed in between pole and focus, ikkada form aitadi kada, this will be always smaller than object. So you will be going to get a value between 0 to 1. So this point is for convex mirror. Okay, convex mirror, you can say if the magnification is positive, so image will be virtual. Idi mottam virtual erect, because height of the image by height of the object. If you are getting a positive value, it means that both the image and object lies above the principal axis. When this case is applicable, so when it is possible, image and object lies above the principal axis, it is possible only when we have an virtual images. So 0 nunchi any positive values are for virtual erect. Okay, 0 to 1 is magnification value for convex mirror, and 1 plus 1 values for the concave 6 case, and negative values indicate the real image which is for concave mirror 5 cases. So now we can start our problems. Okay, I will start with a very small problem. Okay, so here we have a question given that, so in the question he is given that radius of curvature is 20 centimeter, and he is asking to find focal length. So on the day 1 class, you may have known that I have explained that radius of curvature. So in concave mirror, if you say this is your center of curvature, this is focus, this is pole, and we know that the pole and focus, the distance between pole and focus will be same as the distance between pole and center of curvature. So the radius of curvature r is nothing but double of focal length, so 2f. Okay, so this is the relation between radius of curvature and focal length. You remember, radius of curvature is 2 times of focal length. So when radius of curvature is given as 20, we have to find the f. Very easy. So 20 is equal to 2f, 2 ones are 2 tens are. So 10 centimeter is a focal. So you may have other question. He will be giving you the focal value. So he is saying that focal length is 20 centimeter. Find the radius of curvature. So we know that r is nothing but 2f. So we will be multiplying with 2. So we will getting 40 centimeter. Okay. So this type of question they may ask for the objective or 1 marks. If radius of curvature is given, find the focal, or focal length is asking, he is asking to find the radius. So you just remember r is equal to 2f. Okay. So now I am just taking some other question. A concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. So where should an object be placed so to obtain real, invert and same size image? Okay, whenever you are going to get a question, you have to gather the information. Okay, first thing is you have to gather which type of mirror it is. So here is saying that, so given, what are the given things we have to write? So the given thing is saying we have an concave mirror on the ikkada. Next, what is given? Whose focal length is 10 centimeter. So we know that in concave mirror focal value will negative, will write minus. So now he's asking where should we have to place an object. So he's asking where we should place an object. అంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి అదే క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు find the object distance where the object should be placed to obtain a real, invert and same size image. So he is given the characteristics of the image. So characteristics is nothing but real, invert and same size. So you may have seen in the ray diagrams. So in ray diagram we know that radius, if you want to get a same size, invert and real image, so object should be placed at center of curvature. So object will be placed as, so from the given information we know that object will placed at center of curvature. So we have to find the distance between pole and center of curvature. That will be the answer. So the distance between pole to center of curvature is known as r. So if you want to find the radius of curvature, we need the help of focal. We know that r is equal to 2f. So we'll write 2 into 10. So 20 centimeter is the answer. So if you place an object at 20 centimeter from the pole, which is nothing but C, so you will be going to get real, invert and same size image. Okay, very simple question. Next, we have another question. He's asking you find size, nature and position of image found by an object of size 1 centimeter is placed at distance of 15 centimeter from a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Okay, so he's asking another question. You have to find the size, nature and position of the image found by the object of a one. Okay, we'll gather the information. So what are the given thing? Okay, so I will just give you a 1 minute. So if you just gather the information from this. Okay, those who have gathered, so very good. Orgaite ralet chudandi. Okay, we'll write the given things which are given in the question. So I told you first thing you have to write the type of mirror which is given. So given it is an concave mirror, and given you have to find the size, nature, position of the image. Fill. Okay, calculate jali. We have to find the size, nature, and position of the image. So to find what you need to find, okay, first we should write everything which is given. Okay, to find also we'll write at the right side. So what we need to find is size. So we need v value, nature. Next we have to find the position. So sorry, size is nothing but this one, position is v, and this is the nature. Okay, so given the size of the object, so given height of the object is 1 centimeter, placed at a distance of 15, so u value is given as 15 centimeter, formed on a concave mirror, focal length is 10, so given f value is 10 centimeter. So now we have to apply the sign convention rules as per the concave mirror. So in concave mirror, u value, f value will be negative. So first we can find the value of v value. So v value calculate చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, we can find the v value. So okay, I didn't explain you about the mirror formula. So mirror formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So actually this is the relationship between parameters f, u, v in a mirror, in a concave mirror, or you can say in a curved mirror. So this is the relationship between the parameters. So we will be using this formula to find this v value. So as we know u and f value, so we will be substituting u and f value in this formula to find the v. So as we know we have to find the v, so what we'll do, we'll send this 1 by u to right side. So we'll get 1 by f minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by v. We'll take the LCM. Fu is nothing but u minus f is equal to 1 by v. Make it reciprocal. So we'll get 1 by v is equal to v. This will become fu by u minus f, or else you can directly substitute the values. But if you do in this way, the calculation will become very easy. So now what is the formula for v? We need fu by u minus f. So what is f value? Is minus 10. U value is minus 15. By minus 15 minus of minus 10 become plus 10. So minus into minus plus 10 into 150, 150, 15 minus 5 is 5 minus. You can cancel with 5 table. We'll get minus 30. So here we got the value of v. So after finding the value of v, now we have to find the height. So we have to find the height of the image. So height of the image can be found with the help of magnification formula. So from the magnification we know that height of the image by height of the object is nothing but minus v by u. Now we know the object value, height of the object, u and v value, just substituting this formula. So we'll substitute the formula along with the signs. So height of the image we don't know, height of the object 1, because it lies above the principal axis it will be taken as positive. V value is just now about minus 30, so minus of minus 30 by minus 15. So minus and minus become plus. So we'll get 30 by minus 15. So hi 1 will multiply to 30. So 15 on the 15 2s are. So we'll get hi value is 2 on the 2 minus. So minus 2 centimeter. So we got image distance as a minus 30 centimeter and height is as a minus 2 centimeter. So now we have to find the nature. So nature, ela calculate this. So see, nature is, so whenever you can see here, if I draw the diagram for this one, this is question for concave mirror. So focal length is 1 centimeter. So this is the radius of curvature. So focal length is 10 centimeter and focal u is 15. So object is between focal and center of curvature. So you will be going to get an image behind the C. You can see that this is 1 centimeter, this we got 2 centimeter negative. So whenever it is negative you have to write real, when it is real we can write invert. You can see the size, height is small, object size is small and image size is big. You have to write enlarge or you can say magnified. Okay, this is a characteristic you have to write. So question, okay, I will explain the one more time. So he's given concave mirror in the question, height of the object, u and f value. So from these two values, with the help of this mirror formula, we have find the v. After finding the v, we have taken the help of this magnification, we have substituted in this formula, we got the height of the image. So at the height of the image is negative, so whenever the height is negative, it indicates real invert, and this object size is 1, this is 2, ఇది పెద్దగా ఉంది, so enlarge image, simple. So I'm just taking this, we will solving some 5 to 6 question, don't worry. Okay, this value video will become lengthy, so I'm just taking some other question. The height of the image is double of size of object. So what is its magnification? What is it magnification? He's saying you have to find a magnification for this question. Okay, so we'll do one thing. So we don't know the height of the image as well as we don't know the height of the object. So we'll just do one thing. We'll assume that height of the image, this height of the image is x, and with the size of the object will be double. So height of the object will be 2 times of this, so 2x. So we know that magnification is nothing but height of the image by height of the object. Okay, height of the image is double the size of the object. Sorry, so size of the object will take x and the size of the image will be 2x. So 2x by x, x is cancelled, we get 2. So magnification value is 2. Okay. So I have